Normally, on your Android phone, you'll see one default font. If you want to change the system font of your Android phone, you can do that. In this video, we'll explain how to change the system font of your Android phone. For this, open Settings. When you open Settings, you'll see an option called Display. Click on Display. Once you click on it, you'll find an option for System Font. Click on this option. When you do, you'll reach this page. But keep in mind, depending on the brand, there might be some changes. If you're feeling confused, here's what you can do. Open Settings. At the top, you'll see a Search Settings option. Search for font there. When you search for font, you'll see an option for System Font. Click on this option. Once you click it, you'll reach this page. Here, you'll see the System Font option again. Click on it. When you do, you'll reach this page. From here, you can select whichever font you want. There are many fonts to choose from, and depending on the brand, this page might look a bit different. For example, I'm selecting this font. When you select a font, you'll see an Apply option. Click on Apply. A pop-up message will appear, stating that your phone will reboot. After the reboot is complete, your phone's font will change. So, click on the Reboot option. Once you do, your phone will restart. Now, after rebooting, you'll see that your phone's font has changed. This is how you can easily change the system font of your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.